Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The prestigious French automaker is making a big entry into the premium recreational vehicle market with the 2025 Peugeot Elegant Motorhome. This future model is intended to be a seamless fusion of the practical requirements of opulent mobile living with Peugeot's well-known design sensibilities, which are distinguished by flowing lines and exquisite craftsmanship. According to projections, the exterior will have a sophisticated elegance that transcends strictly functional shapes and adopts a more sculpted and aerodynamically aware profile. It is anticipated that integrated lighting signatures, possibly utilizing cutting-edge LED technology, will highlight the vehicle's features and provide a modern visual identity. Its superior standing in the motorhome industry would be further highlighted by the exterior's use of high-end materials and finishes, such as subtle integrated badging and high-gloss accents. The inside of the 2025 Peugeot Elegant Motorhome is designed to be a sophisticated and comfortable haven. In order to create an open and airy atmosphere, the design philosophy would probably place a high priority on the smooth integration of living spaces. The physical experience is expected to be defined by premium natural materials like soft leather seats, luxurious fabrics, and exquisite wood veneers. The design would be carefully thought out to maximize utility without sacrificing aesthetic appeal, possibly including creative storage options and flexible furniture arrangements. Modern equipment that blend in well with custom cabinetry would be installed in the kitchen area, demonstrating a dedication to both culinary functionality and aesthetic harmony. The bedrooms would be peaceful havens with a focus on seclusion and comfort thanks to well-considered design and high-quality bedding. It is anticipated that a key component of the 2025 Peugeot Elegant Motorhome experience would be technological integration. Complete communication and entertainment possibilities would be offered by an advanced infotainment system that is completely integrated into the dashboard. Using Peugeot's automotive technology experience, advanced driver assistance systems would improve agility and safety. Intelligent energy management and climate control technologies would also help create a sustainable and comfortable living space while traveling. In order to meet the needs of contemporary, linked living, it is also reasonable to anticipate the integration of smart home technology, which would enable remote control of numerous vehicle functions. The 2025 Peugeot Elegant Motorhome's drivetrain is probably going to prioritize efficiency and sophistication. A focus on cutting-edge diesel engine technology, possibly combining hybrid components, might be expected to balance performance with fuel economy and lower emissions, even though specifics are still up in the air. The chassis would be designed to ensure passenger comfort on lengthy trips by offering a stable and comfortable ride. A calm and opulent travel experience would require careful consideration of noise, vibration, and harshness, NVH reduction. To sum up, the 2025 Peugeot Elegant Motorhome is anticipated to be a strong contender in the luxury RV industry, representing Peugeot's dedication to passenger comfort, technical innovation, and superior design. For discerning travelers who value the smooth blending of style and functionality, it is intended to be a vehicle that offers a sophisticated and polished mobile living experience that goes beyond simple transportation.